What will we do with a drunken sailor? What will we do with a drunken sailor? What will we do with a drunken sailor? Early in the morning, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning.
Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, we got another good one for you. We've got a 40th anniversary cook we're doing today. We're gonna do Atlantic salmon. We're gonna smoke it on the pellet grill. So hang tight. All right, what I've got, these are about three pound, pretty close to 3 pound salmon fillets. This is Atlantic salmon. All right, so I'm gonna put a little lemon juice over the top. I did not have any fresh lemon, so I'm using this the next best thing. I want to get this on it. All right, I'm going to season it. What with? Well, of course, this is Gator Shake. Cuff and Stuff approved. Let's put a nice little healthy dose of Gator Shake on my fish. That's 1, 2, and there's the last of it. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna let it stay at least an hour before I put it on. So when I pull it out, get ready to put it on, I'll bring you back. All right, I'm gonna start by putting a little cooking spray down on my aluminum foil. We let this sit in the refrigerator for about an hour, and I'm going to take aluminum foil. I'm just going to roll it up like this. And this is going to help me handle it. All right, I'm going to do each one of these like this. I'm going to take a rack and I'm going to put it on a rack. That's going to help me handle it. I'm going straight to the smoker. All right, we've got them all ready. We've got them in their little boats, as people call them. And I'm going to take, I still have it on the rack. I'm going to set these in like this. Here's the second one. And the third one. All right, you see, we got all 3 of these in. You roll it up. I'm gonna keep that probe off. Now I have 2 probes. I'm gonna set one in this one and one in that one. Now I'm gonna be going for 140-ish, okay? So when we get there, that's when I'll bring you back. All right, one thing I was about to forget, which I don't want to do, I'm gonna take, this is a smoke tube. I have some cherry wood in here. I'm gonna get it lit, smoking real good here. And I'm gonna set this right down here on the edge. Make sure I got it going good. All right, close it up. We got that cherry wood going and we're cooking. All right, Inkbird says we've hit our temp, 140. Let's look and see what we got. Oh yeah, that's a little light. This one over here, we can leave a little bit. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I've got 2 of them I'm gonna take off, and one I'm gonna let cook just a little bit longer. So when it's time to try it, I'm gonna bring you back. Okay, last step in this process. I'm gonna take just a little bit of lemon and put back over the top. And to finish it, Uncle Steve's, don't tell anybody I did this, Uncle Steve's smoke bomb. Oh, that's a secret ingredient that goes with so much. And I'm just gonna take and just put a light coat over the top of this. Oh my goodness. Smoke bomb on fish. There's only one thing to do. It's time to try this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Pulls right off, as flaky as it can be. It's translucent. Going in. Oh my goodness. I've never been a big salmon man. This is so good. And look, it just flakes off. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Hey, listen. You want to do something special with a family, go on and spend the money. I'm not going to tell you salmon's cheap. It's not. It's not terribly expensive, but it's not cheap. Buy some salmon, fix it just like this. Hey, the Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, a little bit of smoke bomb at the end. You can't beat it. Again, thanks for hanging around. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side and subscribe? I'll have another video just for you right here. Hit that thumbs up, share it. None of that'll cost you a dime. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.